Welcome to PowerHack. Today, we're diving into the absolute basics of Bash scripting. Start by opening your favorite editor. I will run this in Nano. Every Bash script begins with the shebang line. This tells Linux which interpreter to use. Use the hash symbol to add comments that explain your code. Variables store data. Just name them and assign with no spaces. For strings within quotes and numbers without quotes. To write to the terminal, you use echo. Read allows the user to input data. Here, the variable amount is assigned the value of the entered number. Bash has a built-in variable called $random. Let's combine it with our inputs. Let's break down this line so you understand exactly what it does. $random gives you a number between 0 and 32767. We use $amount to limit it to a smaller range. Adding $number shifts the whole range up, and +1 guarantees we don't end up with a 0. This creates a random number in a custom range. Now you know what every line does. Practice it, tweak it, and get creative with your scripts. Here's the full mini-script in action. Try writing and running it yourself. To run it, we first need to make the script executable through chmod +x. You've just learned how to write and run your first Bash script. Keep practicing. Subscribe for more Bash, Linux, and automation tips. This is PowerHack. See you in the next video.